Good morning everyone. Welcome to online presentation. Myself Aisha Banu. My USN is M4MH19 MCA 52. In this session we are discuss about servlet life cycle. First we know about what is servlet. So, servlet technology is used to create web application and execute by web service or web application service. For example, Tomcat, Glassfish, and J, 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 JBoss, and etc. The servlet is a small Java program that runs with a web service. The service servlet receives and responds to requests for web client, usually across HTTP, the hypertext transfer protocol. In servlet lifecycle, servlet class is loaded, servlet instance is created, init method in invoked, service method is invoked, destroy method is invoked. In servlet lifecycle, there are five steps. First one is loaded servlet class. Second one is created servlet instance. Third one is call the init method. Fourth one is call the service method. Fifth one is, and the last one is call the destroy method. In servlet lifecycle, there are three stages. First one is in a servlet life cycle, there are three stages. First one is new, and the second one is ready, and third one is end. In the has a display in about diagram, there are three stages of servlet: new, ready, and end. The servlet is in new stage if servlet instance is created. After invoke the init method, servlet comes in the ready stage. Next, in the ready stage, servlet performed all the task when the web container container invoke the destroy method. It shift to the end stage. Last stage is destroy. Destroy means delete the videos or photos. That means destroy means end stage. Destroy is a end stage. Then next one is servlet class is loaded. Servlet class is loaded. The class loader is responsible to load the service servlet class, and the servlet class is loaded when the first request for the servlet is received by the web container. Next one, a servlet instance is created. The web container create the instance of servlet after loading the servlet class, and the servlet instance is created only once in the servlet lifecycle. The servlet is initialized by calling the init method. The servlet called services method to process the client request. The servlet is terminated by calling the destroy method. First one, init method. The init method. The init technique is called just once. It called just when the servlet is made and not required any client asked for. Therefore, in this way, it is utilized for one time in inst in statement, similar as with the init strategy for applet. For example, the init method definition look like this: the public void init servlet configure. This is example for init method. Next one is the service method. The service method. Each time the service get a demand for a servlet, the service brings forth another strings and calls benefits. The administration techniques check that HTTP has for types: get, post, put, delete, and so forth. For example, the servlet the servlet method definition look like this. And the last one is destroy method. Last one is destroy method. The destroy method is called only once at the end the life cycle of servlet. The method gives your servlet has changed to close database connections of background thread, write cookies list, or and perform another such cleanup activities. Thank you everyone.